बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. 14th August, Faith, Sacrifice and Pakistan. Background. This story begins in 1940 in Lahore, when Muslims in the Indian subcontinent were struggling for their identity and freedom. The British ruled the land, and under the political dominance of the Hindu majority, the conditions for Muslims were becoming increasingly restrictive. Muslims realized that without a separate country, their language, culture, religion and rights would be in danger. The first turning point, Lahore Resolution. On 23 March 1940, in Lahore's Minto Park, today's Iqbal Park, a historic session of the All India Muslim League was held. Here, a resolution was presented that later came to be known as the Pakistan Resolution. It declared that Muslim majority areas in India should be combined into a separate state where Muslims could live according to their religion and culture. This was not just a piece of paper, it was a declaration that would change history within the next 7 years. The era of sacrifices. From 1940 to 1947, millions of Muslims sacrificed their lives, wealth, and homes. Some endured hunger and thirst in migration caravans, some were martyred in trains. Women gave their lives to protect their honor. Young men left villages and cities, driven only by the belief that Pakistan awaited them. These sacrifices were not for any ruler or power, they were solely for freedom and Islamic identity. 14th August 1947, the dream fulfilled. Finally, on the midnight of 14th August 1947, the radio announced, "This is Radio Pakistan." People poured into the streets, green flags were waved, and a new country emerged on the world map, Pakistan. It was the day when the dreams of millions of Muslims became reality. The truth. Pakistan did not come easily. It was not a gift. It was the result of countless sacrifices, relentless struggle, and unwavering faith. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah once said, Pakistan was created the day Muslims decided that they wanted a separate country. Message. 14th August is not just a day of celebration, it is a reminder of how hard-earned our freedom is. To preserve this freedom, we must keep alive the spirit of unity, faith, and sacrifice. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatain 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.